You slide this on the back of your phone using the case, and now you're able to make regular phone calls without using Bluetooth, and this will record the phone conversation, and then it will transcribe it, it will summarize it. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this TicNote AI recorder. So this is going to be a product overview. So let's get into it, and I'll show you all the features that it has, and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you're going to need to download the TicNote app, which is right here. When you first set up your account, the free basic plan gives you 2100 minutes, which is a very generous offer. You see the battery level of the TicNote and on which mode that is on. You have your record button and then your previous recordings that you have right here. If you click here, this is the Shadow AI. So this works very well. You could type in what you want to ask it or even say it, and then it has the deep think, search, or even the intelligent push. So say if we want what topics were discussed across all these recordings. See, so it shows the thinking, the analyze, and then it tells you everything about what was spoken about in the recordings. I'm testing out the TicNote AI recorder, and I'm using the Shadow AI, which is one of the best AI units on the market right now. So I want you to tell me how well that you could hear and how well that this device records. Okay, I'm gonna press the stop button. So let's see it right here. Then you're gonna press generate now. On top here, you have different templates of how you were using this, either for investor exchange, customer attended, Shadow AI, teaching seminars, sport interviews, sales target. Then here you can set the different modes to set up the distinguished speakers, the recording language, which AI model, and the detail level. So we're going to generate it now. So now it's going to transcribe everything that I heard. And it's doing the summarizing. And on top here, if I wanted to hear back what I said, I'm testing out the TicNote AI recorder, and I'm using the Shadow AI, which is one of the best AI units on the market right now. So this TicNote recorder records very clearly. You can hear the playback when I was playing it back, that it recorded my voice nice and clear, and you can understand every word clearly. So this is great for meetings, for interviews, if you want, for lectures, if you're in school, anywhere that you want to record a conversation, this works very well. You can store the different recordings with different files, and then it tells you on the top right here, TicNote and Shadow AI. And if you want to do the transcript, it shows everything that I was saying, the mind map, aha moments for insights, and then there's even deep research, and even if you want to do a podcast. So next we're going to try out the language translation. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo David. Yo tengo 45 años. Yo vivo en Estados Unidos y me gusta comer mucha comida. So we're going to stop it. So let's see how it recorded it now. So this one I was talking in Spanish. So I'm going to press the transcript button. So you can see here that I transcribed it in Spanish. Then you can even hear it if you click on the button. Then we can do the mind map. And then it shows with the mind map everything that we were saying, the aha moments. Okay, so say if we wanted to translate this right here, I'm going to translate this. Say we'll translate it to French. So it takes some time to translate it, give it a few minutes. So you can see here, it translated all the English words into French. So you can see when I switched the language, all the summaries went to French. So this is great for people who are speaking in different languages, and you could translate it while after the fact. This is a very good feature. So this has over 150 languages that you could choose from. So the possibilities are endless. Here's the TicNote. It's very thin. It comes with this MagnaSafe case right here. Okay, so let's take it out. So it's very thin. It's like a credit card thickness, lightweight. Looks very cool. Nice material. Here's the back. This is where you charge it. So here you're able to switch your modes. You can switch it to the phone mode or speaker mode. And then if you hold this down, you turn it on. And then if you hold this down for 2 seconds, it will record. If you hold it down for 15 seconds, it will reset. It has this convenient MagSafe case. So this is magnetized for your iPhone right here. If you don't have an iPhone and you have a different type of phone that doesn't have the MagSafe, you just attach this to the back of your phone, and then this case will attach to it. And here's the charger right here. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great AI voice recorder. I like how the Shadow AI is built into the TicNote app, so everything is all in one app, so you don't need to bundle it using different apps. I like how well that the battery life is on this. I like how it's lightweight and is made very well and looks very stylish. It's very thin. I also like how the back of this case is magnetic and it fits all the MagSafe phones, and this makes taking notes in school or in meetings very easy. I like how well that this records different people talking, and I also like how it can distinguish from one speaker to another speaker. I like how this has a 64 gigabyte storage and the battery life lasts around 22 hours. I like how you're able to transcribe different texts with over 150 languages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.